When it comes to writing assistants, two of the biggest players are ChatGPT and Grammarly, but which one is truly better for helping you improve your writing? In this video, we're going to dive deep into both tools and compare them so you can decide which is right for you, whether you're writing emails, essays, or even full-length articles. Stick around because, by the end of this video, I'll also show you a game-changing alternative that beats both of them. First off, let's talk about the core of both tools. ChatGPT is designed as a conversational AI that can help you generate text, refine your ideas, or even complete entire paragraphs based on prompts you give it. It's highly versatile and great for brainstorming, creative writing, or even solving problems step by step. The downside? While it's fantastic at drafting text, it doesn't focus heavily on grammar or structure. You might need to manually tweak things afterward, especially when it comes to complex grammar or tone consistency. Next, we have Grammarly, which is specifically designed to focus on writing quality, particularly in terms of grammar, spelling, and punctuation. If you're looking for a polished, error-free final product, Grammarly is a great option. However, its capabilities are more limited when it comes to generating content. It's perfect for proofreading and fine-tuning, but doesn't offer the same creative flexibility or depth as ChatGPT when it comes to generating ideas or full paragraphs. Now, let's talk about the user experience. ChatGPT is very conversational. You can ask it to write in various styles or give it instructions on what you want it to produce, and it adapts quickly. But one of the problems I've found with ChatGPT is that it sometimes struggles with longer or more complex requests. You may find yourself repeating prompts to get the quality of output you're looking for, which can be frustrating if you're on a tight deadline. On the other hand, Grammarly is incredibly intuitive, with its browser extension making it easy to use across various platforms, from Google Docs to email clients. It highlights errors in real time and offers suggestions for improvements. The issue with Grammarly, though, is that it focuses a bit too much on following rules. This can stifle creativity, especially for those who want to experiment with their writing. It's a tool that prefers convention over creative freedom. The next thing to consider is cost. ChatGPT is free for basic use, but you'll have to pay for access to the more powerful versions like GPT-4. Grammarly also offers a free version, but it's highly limited. To get advanced features like tone detection, genre-specific writing style suggestions, or even plagiarism checks, you'll need the premium version, which can get pretty pricey. The fourth thing worth noting is the level of customization. With ChatGPT, you can ask it to tailor the writing to a specific tone, audience, or purpose. It's a fantastic tool if you want to personalize your writing approach. Grammarly, however, does give you some level of customization, but it's primarily focused on fixing errors and optimizing your writing for readability and correctness, rather than creativity or personal style. Lastly, let's talk about the bottom line. Both tools are great in their own right. ChatGPT excels in helping you generate content, explore ideas, and even handle complex queries or creative challenges. However, its grammar and accuracy might leave you doing some extra work. Grammarly is the go-to for perfecting your writing, but it might stifle your creativity and isn't as strong in content generation. So, here's my take. If you want a tool that helps with everything from writing drafts to brainstorming, ChatGPT is the winner. But if you're just looking to polish your grammar and ensure your writing is flawless, Grammarly is the better tool. However, after trying both of these myself, I believe there's an even better option. If you're looking for a truly comprehensive writing assistant that combines the best of both worlds, writing generation, editing, and grammar refinement, there's a better alternative. If you're interested, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available to anyone else. Trust me, after trying all of them myself, this is the tool that will take your writing to the next level. So, what do you think? Are you a ChatGPT fan, or does Grammarly do it for you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to grab that free trial to get the best tool for your writing needs.